If you've been publishing your video immediately after uploading it, that's why you're not growing. This is what I mean. You upload a video right now on YouTube, and after uploading it, once that video is done uploading, you publish it immediately, that same time, that same day. That's why you're not growing. The biggest creators you see out there, people that are achieving success on YouTube out there, they are not uploading the same way you upload. And that's where the difference comes in. Have you ever seen a new channel? A brand new channel gets created, and in 1 month, 2 months, that channel is monetized. But with you, your channel is 1 year, 2 years, 3 years on YouTube, you are not getting monetized. Have you ever asked yourself, what is the issue? What's the problem? Why are you not getting views? Why are you not growing? Why are you not monetizing? The difference comes after the things you do as a creator. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the things you should never do on YouTube. And these are common mistakes. And I'm also going to share with you the things that you should begin doing if you want to get views, if you want to get monetized, if you want to get engagement, or if you want to get success on YouTube. The first thing you should stop doing here on YouTube, stop uploading your videos straight to public. That is a very common mistake. That's why I'm actually mentioning it as the first thing you should stop doing. I know a lot of people do this. Even I myself, I used to do this. Almost everyone that begins uploading videos on YouTube, they do this. And that's why you see a lot of people are failing on YouTube. You're asking yourself, why are you failing? The way you're uploading your videos is not the same way successful creators upload their videos. If you upload your videos straight to public, you're not giving the YouTube algorithm time to analyze your video, to process your video, to read your video, to know the right people to recommend your videos to. So if you upload your videos straight to public, you're going to end up with flopping videos. Your videos are not going to get views. And if you do it for a long time, you're going to end up having a dead channel. You'll find people that have been on YouTube here for 2 years, 3 years, uploading every single week, uploading every single month, but they don't go viral, they don't get views, they are not even monetized. Yes, but you've been here on YouTube for 3 years, and then you're going to hear some people saying, I've been on YouTube for 1 month, 2 months, but I'm monetized. You're going to ask yourself, is it really true? Yeah, it is really true, and the difference comes in after the things you do. I made an experiment on this channel about this same thing. I went ahead and created a video, and after creating that video, I published that video immediately. Like, I uploaded the video to YouTube, and after uploading the video, I published it at that same time on that same day. And guess what? My video flopped. My video never performed like other videos. This is the video I'm talking about. As you see this video, everything is poor. The video performance is very poor. Views are dropping, impression click-through rate is dropping, average view duration is dropping, everything is dropping. And as I said, this video, I just published it immediately after uploading it to my channel. I published it to audience. And guess what? This video flopped. As you see, ranking by views, this video is 10 out of 10. This video is 3 days and 17 hours on my channel, and this video has only 600 views. 600 views, and this video is making 4 days on my channel. A channel with over 80,000 subscribers. I dropped a video, and a video is 4 days on this channel, and my video has not even crossed 1K views. This has never happened to my channel ever since I got monetized. I've been uploading my videos differently, so I did an experiment and decided to drop my videos as you guys actually do. Guess what? The video flopped. The video performed very bad. This has never happened to my channel ever since I got monetized. I've never uploaded a video and a video flops this kind of a way, just because I've never published a video immediately to public after uploading it. Now, when you look at my videos ranking by views right here, you're gonna realize that this video has performed very bad. In the first 3 days, this video is having 600 views. Other videos were having 3,000 views, 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 7,000 views, 8,000 views. The difference is between what I did when uploading this video and what I was doing when uploading these other videos. Now, how should you upload your videos? When uploading your videos, you should upload your videos to unlisted, private, or schedule them. If you just upload your videos straight to public, they are going to always flop. Your videos are going to always perform poor, because if you upload your videos straight to public, it literally means that you're not giving the algorithm time. The second thing you should do, hide your video likes. I literally recommend every growing channel to hide your video likes, because in most cases, viewers don't like videos with fewer likes. So if you're just growing, if you're just beginning here on YouTube and you don't hide your video likes, your videos are not going to get more views. And if your videos don't get more views, that is going to actually affect your channel growth. The YouTube algorithm is going to stop recommending your videos just because people are not interacting with your videos. So one of the most powerful way to increase interaction in your videos, to improve likes in your videos, it is by hiding your video likes. I guess some of you are wondering about that, but let me prove you, because I did a study about it and I have proof about it. This is a random video on YouTube that has over 843,000 views, and this video shows it is likes. It has 18,000 likes. And now this is my video on YouTube that has 584,000 views, and this video, it doesn't show likes. I hid the likes of this video from the first day that I published this video. Now, since this video has less views compared to this video, because this video has 800,000 views and this video has 500,000 views, it literally means that this video should be having more likes compared to this video. But what if I told you that my video has more likes to this video? Yes, let's prove that actually. So I'll definitely go to my YouTube studio right here. This is the video we are talking about. When you look at show how many viewers like this video, I turned it off. The box is unchecked. So let's see how many likes this video has. So this is the video right here. This is the video. As you see, the video has 584,000 views. And now let's look at the likes. This is the number of likes this video has. My video has 29,000 likes. A video with 500,000 views, it has 29,000 likes. And a video with 800,000 views, it has only 18,000 likes, which is less compared to my video, proving if you hide the likes of your videos are going to get more likes. The third thing you should begin doing after uploading your YouTube videos, make sure that you pin a comment under your videos, and that comment should be a comment that promotes engagement, a comment that promotes conversation under your videos. When you pin a comment under your videos and viewers reply to that comment, it literally means that you're promoting engagement, because that is what YouTube wants. YouTube wants a video that receives comments, a video that has engagement in the comments. And when you get engagement in the comment section, it literally means that that's a good signal to the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending your videos, and you're going to end up getting views and getting viral videos. The fourth thing you should do, create videos about viral topics. In that particular niche you do, there is something trending. There is something that is going viral. So you should always look at what is going viral as a small creator, as a beginning creator. Look at what is going viral under your niche. You should have a niche and then know what is going viral in that niche. Once you know what's going viral in that niche, it is what you should actually create about, because that is what your audience want to watch. So create about viral topics. This trick has helped a lot of channels to blow up here on YouTube. So what you should do is to actually begin searching for viral topics in your niche. Begin looking at big channels in your niche that are getting views. Look at what is getting views and create exactly what they are creating. Number 5, consistency. And that is the key to YouTube success. Every successful YouTuber will tell you you need to be consistent if you want YouTube success. And how do you actually be consistent? Because a lot of people misinterpret it. When we talk about consistency, we're not saying that upload every single day. No, you can upload once a week, twice a week, but you need to make sure that it is a repetition. If you upload every single Monday, make sure that every single Monday, each week, you upload a video. In simple terms, get a consistent schedule and respect that schedule. When you do that, you're actually training the YouTube algorithm to know on which day and at what time it should actually expect your new videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this playlist if you've not set up your YouTube channel. In this playlist, I've organized videos talking about different settings that you have to turn on and turn off. If you've not optimized your YouTube channel, this playlist contains videos teaching about YouTube optimization. So check out this playlist to set up your YouTube channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.